Here, use this.
Introducing M30 Plus, super compact laser distance measurer. With its small size and weight, you can easily measure anywhere. With a one-click system, anyone can measure fast and effortlessly. With M30 Plus, you can be a professional within a second. Measuring distance becomes easy, and you can find curtains that will fit your windows perfectly. And when you place any furniture, you will notice that the furniture will fit easily to measured spaces. Through continuous measurement function, you can hang any paintings or pictures on the wall. Also, the design of the M30 Plus provides efficiency and ergonomics, with polyurethane pads on each and bottom sides. M30 Plus provides a more comfortable grip. Even if you drop it, you can rely on M30 Plus's solid protection. The protection has the level of IP54, which prevents water or dust, which helps the M30 Plus be reliable in harsh environments as well. From home interior to DIY, everyone can be professionals. With M30 Plus, you can measure easily, simply, and quickly by yourself. It is compact, portable, and useful to anyone. Super Compact Laser Distance Measurer, M30 Plus by Magpie Tech.
We're counting on convenient measuring tools more and more that can shed light on plans for every design project. When you're out there making things happen, you need one ultimate measuring equipment to complement your talent. You need MEAZOR. What does this mean for your future of measure? It means you have instant two-dimensional scanning at your fingertips, data conceptualization on your smartphone. Welcome to the new age of compact and proficient measuring. The MEAZOR lets you perform meticulous measuring for high-end floor plan scanning. Simply place the MEAZOR on a surface, turning the body 360 degrees. Watch as your entire floor plan is captured and sent to your smartphone in seconds via Bluetooth. Further adding to its capabilities is the scale rolling ruler. You not only have dynamic measuring functionalities of straight lines and curves, but scale measuring made simple. Roll it across a surface and enjoy a fully customizable scale measuring feature that converts any scale into the units you need. With MEAZOR's intuitive smartphone app, you can instantly get the measuring results transferred. You can draw, edit, and save unlimited drawings and data. From here, you can export your findings to any workflow. MEAZOR is here to give you endless possibilities, high productivity, and workflow integration at its most convenient. For the seasoned architect, to the young product developer, to the creative DIY enthusiast, MEAZOR is for everyone. Fitting seamlessly into your pocket and your lifestyle. The MEAZOR has a multi-touch display with sleek aluminium alloy unibody frame for optimal performance and maximum durability. This is the ultimate measuring tool you've been looking for. MEAZOR, the future of measure.